Hi everyone, I'm Dr. Monisha. Today let's debunk some common myths related to children's eyes. Myth number 1. Glasses makes eyes weak. So parents often ask us if wearing glasses in their children makes their eyes weak. The answer is no. So glasses improve the eyesight if there is a refractive error, and if a child skips glasses, they may develop lazy eyes and may develop permanent vision loss. So glasses protect, they do not do any harm. Myth number 2. Babies outgrow squints. So some babies develop squint 3 to 4 months of age, and that's normal. But if they continue to have squint beyond 4 months of age, then that needs to be examined because it can cause vision loss and also hamper 3D vision, which may be needed in many of the occupations. Myth number 3. Sitting close to the television damages eyes. So sitting close to television does not damage vision, but it's a clue that there may be something wrong happening in your children's eyes. It may be refractive errors, it may be cataracts or any other issues in the eyes, which needs to be tested and examined in time. Myth number 4. Food and eye exercises help remove glasses. Now that's a myth. We are often told that eat carrots, fish and eggs and get rid of your glasses. That cannot happen because the refractive error occurs because there is a change in the shape of the eyes, and that cannot get corrected with any of these means. Hence, carrots, almonds and healthy food is very important to make your eyes stronger, but that will not correct your refractive error. Myth number 5. Children don't need eye examination if they don't complain regarding their eyes. Now this is not true because children may be compensating one eye for the other eye even if one eye vision is less. And hence, if we do not pick up in time, it can cause vision loss which may be permanent and it would be too late to correct it later. So routine eye examination is very necessary every 6 months before they start school. Myth number 6. Lazy eyes can be corrected anytime. So this answer has a yes and a no. However, the best results are achieved when the child is young, that is less than 8 years of age. However, there are recent modalities where there are newer therapies which can be done even beyond the age of 8 years, but the results are limited. So the earlier we start, the better the outcomes are. So remember parents, don't get misled by these myths and get your children's eyes examined as soon as possible. Thank you.